What is up, boys and girls? Welcome to the most electrifying event of this season. It's the GPEFDDE, or also known as the G3 Podcast Epic Fictional Demolition Derby Extreme. Yun, grabe naman ang haba ng title. But tonight, we will have 4 fearless warriors ready to clash in a battle of automotive mayhem. 4 drivers, 4 cars, and only one can emerge victorious. We got the crew up and running and ready to give each other a monstrous mayhem, along with a special guest. May DLC po tayo na di-download para sa episode na to. So Mike, Trickster, and me might run for our money. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines, buckle up, because you're about to witness a demolition derby of epic proportions. Let the 144th episode of the G3 Podcast begin.
Welcome to the G3 Podcast. We're going to be talking about everything geeky and nerdy in between comic books, toys, video games, movies, you name it, we got it.
You're tuned in to the loudest, craziest, and most excited bunch of geeks and nerds on this side of the planet. You're about to dive into everything nerdy and geeky in between.
This
is the G3 Podcast. Gamers, geeks, and good times.
And ladies and gentlemen, once again, it's a Saturday and it's G3 Podcast Day, mga kaibigan. Now, sobrang nakaka-hype itong episode na to, no? And welcome, good evening, mga kaibigan. And yeah, this is going to be an epic episode. Again, we haven't had one of these episodes for a while. We're gonna have a debate episode tonight. So, joining me in this podcast, we got Captain Mike, we got Trickster, and of course, we have a special DLC character bought and downloaded for tonight's episode. So, gumastos po kami para mag-download ng DLC character sa episode na to. Kumbaga, nakita niyo yung ano namin, di ba? Yung parang post sa Facebook na pinost ni Mike. Mayroon kaming character na kailangan i-unlock. So, in-unlock namin siya not by playing a game, but for paying for it. Paying the developers for this specific person. So, yun. But simulan natin to. Kamusta guys? Kamusta Mike? Kamusta? How was your week?
My week has been very hectic to. Nag-ayos pa rin. If you were able to watch the Geek Show and Tell, I have been fixing my studio for the longest time. I have to make sure na everything has been sorted out and all that. Siyempre, kailangan inasikaso mo pa rin yung mga kailangan mo asikasuhin, and then up to now, parang ano lang yun parang yung mga cable mo sa yung mga wiring mo sa likod ng PC, hindi mo pa rin siya mabuo-buo. So it's still work in progress.
I mean, what do you mean wiring? Like yung cable management mo sa likod ng PC, gano'n?
Just
or on
like
your
my
desk?
cable management sa PC, it's still a work in progress. Hindi pa rin siya tapos. So I mean, to those who are watching the live, welcome. And hopefully matapos na to, kasi I've been so itchy to stream na rin ng live.
Ayos.
Iffy talaga.
Kati na ako, sobrang na. Gusto ko na talaga mag-stream.
Parang napapatay yung mic mo, Mike.
Ha?
Are you turning off and on your microphone?
Oo. Pinapatay ko yung microphone kasi I had to make some adjustments kaya I had to press
Got it. Okay.
Kaya pala. Kaya pala, no?
I've heard you have a new microphone. No?
So
Why aren't you using the said microphone? Bakit naka Razer mic ka pa din? No. That's a
Hindi.
question I wanna ask.
Di kasi gusto ko malaman kung nag-work yung anong tawag mo dito? Voice enhancer na nila.
Voice enhancer, yun.
Oo, voice enhancer.
Bakas voice mo, bakit kailan mo pa i-enhance yung already sexy and arousing voice mo?
Alam mo kung ano ang sexy? Alam mo kung ano ang sexy, Brad?
Ganito dapat ang sexy yan. Ganito dapat ang sexy, Brad.
Parang yung sabihin mo nga Mike, sabihin mo nga sobrang init.
Sobrang init.
Mainit pa sa pandesal.
Yeah. Well, shout out nga pala kay microphone for that. Kaya pala
Ayun,
ko
no?
na.
Ayun, no?
Ayos. Alright. That's a nice starting for our podcast.
Oh.
Trickster, how was your week?
There's been some highs and lows in, this week. Since, I started with just fucking streaming Dustborn.
Yon,
That-
we're the
that was-
Dustborn!
That was a game. That was a game, all right. Jesus Christ, that was a game. But
Si
at
Sino, si
least,
Chino.
he hasn't even finished Veilguard yet. I finished Dustborn, so that's
So
the thing.
you're na-one-upan mo si Chino kung gano'n.
Oh. So, well, at least we got the Monster Hunter beta. We haven't played each other properly with the beta. Actually, ang nilaro nating Monster Hunter, Worlds hindi yung beta.
So
Yun
we
lang.
played Worlds while waiting for the beta.
Oh, yeah.
Like, the beta's gonna happen in the Friday morning, and then we're playing Worlds Thursday night. So I think it's still fine. I think we're still
It's
good.
still fun. Yeah, so that's just basically my week. Despite having some problems with my rig, but that's it. Carry pa naman.
May problem sa rig mo.
I remember I told you my SSD started slowing down.
Slightly slowing down.
I don't even know what's causing it. So
I think you need to buy a new one. So PC work, kung
I
nanonood
just
bang kayo,
got this, man, 2 years ago.
Yun na nga, you just got it. Ibig sabihin nun, 2 years na nakalipas. It's a sign. So, gusto mo ba ng
Agad.
gusto... Hindi. Ganito para baka sabi ni Trickster, ito na naman ako, wala na lang akong ginawa sa
Budol.
buhay, nambubudol na naman. So, iba na.
ano.
Trickster, bili mo na yan, Trickster.
Di pa.
Bilhin mo
Wag
na.
muna Trickster, Monster Hunter Wilds yung bilihin mo muna. Wag muna yan. Your PC can, your PC can get by.
Bilhin mo na.
Ayun.
Paano siya makakapaglaro ng Wilds kung nasisira yung niya?
He has more hard drives than an SSD. So, I think Trickster has more drives. I think. BJ nga, 6 Was Trickster pa kaya. So, yeah. But yeah, I've been spending my week with work. So, just like work and a lot of work. Been playing Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth. Hindi ko pa matapos-tapos kasi I don't want it to end. A game so good that may papasok sa isip mo na ultimately this will end, and you feel bad about it. You feel na parang nakakalungkot na parang nilalaro mo, you're having fun, you're having a lot of fun, like yeah Cloud Tifa, right? And then
Monster
all of a
Hunter.
sudden it will hit you na parang putik yan, matatapos din pala to, no? Kaya I'm playing it one at a time, parang 1 hour at a time, doing few side quests here and there. Hindi pa nga ako tumutuloy sa mga missions So, yeah, I hope I will have the courage to finish it, because that's what happened when I played Yakuza 8 as well, na parang ayoko siyang tapusin. And then finally had the courage to do a one whole sprint and just finish the whole thing.
Well, if
So,
you wanna expand the playtime, you could always fight the super bosses if you want.
Well, true, but if it's the full thing, I think
Yeah.
I will spend more time fighting the weapons than, doing the quests and shit. But
Are the
okay.
weapons in na ba?
Wala
hindi
pa, wala
yata
pa. Wala
Ruby
pa.
and
But yeah. But
Is
if
this
it's the
this-
full game already, so
yeah, is this the part where you fight Ultima Weapon? Hindi pa, no?
Hindi ba?
Ultima ba o Omega? Shit.
No, not
Spin
yet.
naman. Ah,
Okay. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, sinabi namin, ilang beses namin tinis etong kataong to, dinownload na namin at natapos na rin siya sa tulong ng Converge. No? Napakalaking file size nito, guys. 500 gigabytes file size yung ating sobrang bigatin ng ating special guest. And let's
Magkano ka,
welcome the retro freak himself, Raymond. Lumabas ka, Raymond.
Yun!
Masaya na ako dun sa introduction, kaso lang the 5 gig na bigat. Parang
500
literal.
500 gig.
500 gig pa nga.
Parang literal yung 500 gig na bigat eh. Yeah, so yeah, it's nice to be back on the G3 stage and hopefully madagdagan pa. So welcome viewers, welcome sa mga nanonood. Welcome thank you Captain Mike, General Tuna, and Trix, and even Notch, and for the opportunity. Yeah. So without further ado, let's go.
Kamusta ka muna? Kamusta mo yung
Ako?
mo?
Pretty good. Like, going back sa streaming na ulit. Lately, naglalaro ng Diablo 2 and then, ayun nga, yung sabi mo nga, gusto ko na ibalik din yung Final Fantasy Rebirth. Na-stuck ako sa Mount Coronel yata eh.
Oh, doon din ako
Mount Corel. On that, so, tinitis mo kung, i-stream uli siya eh. So, let's see kung ibalik ko. Kasi malapit na ako matapos sa Diablo 2. So, nag-iisip ako ng ano pa yung pwede kong i-stream mga susunod na araw.
Path of Exile.
Path of Exile. Yung una, hindi yung 2. Kasi mahal yun eh.
Exile?
Oo.
Maybe.
Oo. Pwede. Pero, so, ayan. So, again, we are having a Demolition Derby episode. And all of these, so lahat kami, we already sent our picks kay Mike. No, wala na, hindi na pwedeng palitan. Papalitan lang if there are any technicalities, no, sa picks natin. Pero, all things said, may tanong ako sa panel, no, bago tayo magsimula. What do you think makes a fictional car iconic? Bakit kaya may mga ibang sasakyan na sikat? Diba? For example, the Batmobile. Side question, no? Question within a question. Anong version ng Batmobile yung pinaka-paborito nyo, guys? Simulan natin dito kaya, no? Okay, simulan ko na para makapag-isip kayo, no? But I think I love the Arkham games na Batmobile, no? I think yun yung pinaka-solid na Batmobile for me. Close second, probably yung sa movie, yung sa Batman v Superman na movie. Pero for me, yung Arkham game, yung Arkham na Batmobile talaga yung pinaka-solid. Sobrang sleek niya kasi tignan. And then, take a look at that. Like parang hindi siya jologs tingnan. Hindi rin siya mukhang tangke na hindi na siya sasakyan. Diba? So, yun yung sa akin. Yun yung for me. How about you, Trickster?
There's only two Batmobiles that I remember fondly. First is the Batman animated version. Very iconic. And the Adam West Batmobile. Kasi it's
was that just a normal car, a black car?
It's slightly just a normal car with the dome,
Yeah,
tapos with the red with red streaks. That's it. Yeah. I liked it because it was on color,
It's on color. Para kasi sasakyan ng The Jetsons eh. The dome reminds me of like something from The Jetsons.
Oh yeah. It's supposed to be slightly futuristic of the 60s,
yeah, futuristic, yeah. How about you, Mike?
Sa akin, it's the yung tama si Trickster when he said it's the 1960s Adam West Batmobile. Kasi sa mga siyempre
yun yung inabutan mo. Tama ba?
Hindi, bukod doon. Imagine the beauty nung sasakyan with the gadgets it has and all back in the 60s, no. So hindi mo siya, I mean, you have your James Bond vehicles, you have your other vehicles sa may mga tech, 'di ba? Pero for this one na black well, it was supposed to be low profile. Pero
Not low
nandun na
profile.
lahat ng tech. Nandun na lahat ng tech na only Batman can use, di ba? So, yun yung nag-stand out sa akin. Tapos yung dalawa lang kayo doon, may mga ejector seats pa and all.
Okay.
Oh,
Why won't you consider it iconic? So, just to quick answer the question, what makes a car or a vehicle iconic? It's obviously the what it
design.
can, the uniqueness, diba? Oh yeah, you're right. The design. Kasi pwede namang yung mga typical vehicles na nakita mo during your era, whatever era you're in, diba? Kahit ng Stone Age, kailangan para mag-stand out ang sasakyan mo, it has to be unique for it to be eye-catching. So,
Yeah,
yun
look
yung
at the
ano ko.
Flintstones.
Kumusta yung sasakyan mo ng Stone Age, Mike? Di ba yung parang sa Flintstones?
Yung may
sa
paa?
Flintstones?
Yung
Oo.
gamit ng paa.
Buo pa ako.
Buo.
Nakakapag-preno pa ako ng maigi.
Paano ba mag-drift yun, Mike? Paano ka nagde-drift dun sa
yun.
yung Flintstones car?
Bubati mo yung gagalawin mong katawan mo para gumalaw lang yung likod nun, diba? So, meron yung 2-wheel at saka yung 4-wheel version nun.
Yun, may 4-wheel version pala yung sa Flintstones. Ayan,
Kamusta
sa'yo,
ka
sa'yo.
yung paa mo?
Oh, kinakalyo
Yun,
ba? Ganun.
May kalyo na.
May kalyo na. Yun. Alright.
May kalyo pa, may
Raymond.
kalyo na.
Raymond, sa'yo. What's your favorite, most favorite Batman?
Actually, yung naabutan, ang mas iconic sa akin kasi yung the animated series. But, yung The Tumbler ng trilogy, Dark Knight trilogy.
Trilogy.
Okay.
Yung tangke
Eh,
na.
yung malaking tangke na
O
yun.
yung tangke,
Oo.
tapos 'di ba pwede siyang maging motorcycle din na nadi-detach to a motorcycle.
Nadi-detach, oo.
'Di ba? So wala lang aside dun sa Batmobile ng 1992 na animated series, yun lang yung sa akin. Siguro dahil napanood ko siya, yung mga past na like the 1997, yung Batman and Robin ni George Clooney saka ni Chris O'Donnell, yung mga Batman Forever, same din kasi yung style, unlike yung The Tumbler saka yung iconic na 1992 version. Yung meron pa ako noon eh. Bumili pa ako ng Batmobile noon ng 1992 series, wala lang, nasira lang talaga. And syempre hindi natin alam na magiging mataas pa pala yung value nun ever. Sana natabi natin.
Natabi.
Yeah.
Oo.
Sayang yun.
Pinaglaruan lang talaga natin eh. Yun
Oo.
ang alam natin nung bata
Oo,
tayo.
talaga.
Di kagaya
ako si
ni Mike.
Batman.
Di kagaya ni Mike, yung pang Flintstone na vehicle niya, tinago pa niya, di ba?
Oo.
As if naman masisira ko rin
Masagarahe pa
yung
yun.
to begin with, diba?
Oo. Pag Mike, 'di ba yung Flintstone bato yung gulong?
Bato yung gulong.
Ano yung ginagamit yung pangkalso?
Din.
Bato din? Or gulong? Baliktad, no?
Oo. Wala kang no choice no kundi gumamit ng bato sa pangkalso ng bato.
Yun.
Okay. Alright. I think Mike already answered the question. What do you think makes a fictional car iconic? I think for me, it's the character that owns the car, which also makes it iconic. Diba? Like Batman, Batmobile, diba? Batmobile. So parang kumbaga nakatie-in sa kanya eh. Kung walang Batman, walang Batmobile, diba? Or kung walang sino nga yung sa Scooby-Doo, Mystery Inc. Wala rin yung
Mystery Van.
Mystery Van,
Mystery
diba?
Oh.
Kung wala yung Ghostbusters, wala rin yung
Wala si
Ecto
Ecto
1,
One.
right?
Ecto
So
One.
kumbaga, it's the character first being iconic and then the car. No, because I think the character makes the car. Na parang ganun yung identity nung
Yeah, kasi nung mga bata tayo, especially if we're a toy fanatic, syempre, bago yung accessories, yung tao mo na yung bibili natin.
Oo.
Like for example, si Batman, lahat may parachute, may glider, lahat. And then afterwards, titignan mo yung accessories, yung sasakyan. Doon makikita mo yung Batmobile, Batcycle, and everything goes na. 'Di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Tulad yung yung sasakyan ni He-Man na may threads pero pagulong-gulong yung
Oo nga pala, yung
Oo.
ganun. Oo nga pala.
Coat.
Yung sa
What the fuck? Well, I wanted one of those, but still. What?
I mean, it still works, di ba? If it works, then
I forgot
it
about
still
that
works
part. Okay, para sa'yo, Trickster, like, what do you think makes a fictional car iconic?
Yeah, for me, it's the design, like I said before. The design, like, easy to stand out, easy to recognize. And, aside from the functions, yeah, for me, it's the design talaga. Something very eye-catching or something that's very memorable the moment you see it.
Okay. Alright. So, before we proceed sa Demolition Derby proper, punta naman natin ang isa sa pinaka-paboritong segment ng lahat dito sa G3. I think the much awaited, much anticipated, and award-winning segment. We have the Captain Mike's legendary Pabati Section.
Walang nag-a-Alaska kay...
Bastos, Raymond.
Walang nang-a-Alaska ngayon.
Wala ba?
I'm scanning some comments right now. Wala. Sige, go ahead, Cap Mike.
Yun ang inaano ko doon. Walang nang Alaska ng age ko ba? Dede, ano yun? Talagang talagang given na yan eh. Umpisa tayo dito kay Stanley. Hello sa mga viewers. This is your resident or moderator, Yoshida. It is, thank God, it's Sabado. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe for our page, and follow our podcast, Gaming News, Geek and Nerdy Stuff, contents, and follow us on our social media accounts, all under one handle, at G3PodPH.
Yeah.
Yun. Siyempre, ang nag-iisang hello, Tita Len. Siyempre, ayan ayan si Tita Len. Ang sabi nga dito ni sabi nga dito ni Rafi, exclamation point notified to get yourselves up to date with the latest streams. Ito na, yung mga winners pala natin nandito. Grabe. Ryan Mark Domingo and Jack Gonzaga.
Nanalo sila ng dashboard.
Wait, di sila nanalo ng dashboard.
Nanalo kayo ng copy ng Dustborn.
But he did say it is dustbin. Shout out doon nga pala sa 11 viewers. Lakas pa rin natin, no? 11 viewers tayo ngayon, 12. O, kanina 8 yan eh. Tapos, syempre nandiyan din si Ma'am Mylene. Diba?
Yun.
Sabi ni Tita Len, hello Raymond, pairam maleta.
Dali natin sa PBBX ulit.
Saan punta ng maleta?
Saan
Ba't
punta?
nanghiram ang maleta? Saan punta? Diba?
Saan punta?
Wala. Doon lang sa sa kabilang bahay.
Rides lang. Babangking ka sa Marilac.
Yun. Tapos, sabi din may sagot dito nga si Stanley doon sa niya, yung Dark Knight.
Dark
Na
Knight. Yeah, the Tumblr. Oo.
The Tumblr.
Siyempre, hello G3 fam. Di ko alam kung ano yung pagpronounce ng kanyang...
Straight from Japan. Straight
Yan.
from Japan. Ewan ko sino yun.
Hello G3, familiar guest nyo. Ikaw ba naman? Sino ba
Siyempre.
naman hindi dyan?
Oo.
Binayaran namin
Iconic.
yan.
Oo, iconic yan.
I
Pinondoan
just love
namin
the
yan.
500 gig na bigat. Parang literal.
Nag-defragment na yan.
Waiting sa pabati ng idol ko na si Stanley. Tsaka syempre,
Oo nga, nasa yung
syempre
pabati niya.
sa dulo ng pabati ni Stanley,
Ayan
kailangan
na pala eh.
ayusin ko yung ano ko dun eh. Shoutout muna daw sa lovable and supporting mother dyan, Alexi Lorenzo. And to my
okay.
Sisi Miyaka sa business ng Yapari Coffee Bar. Uy, saan to? Punta natin. Tapos si Mama Lexi, syempre. At saka
Andrea.
si
Of course.
Yan! Of course!
Hindi yan mawawala.
Yes!
hindi
Shout
mawawala na may
Shaina Duran.
hosting pabati si
Oo.
Stanley.
Shaina Duran and
Yes.
Shaira Duran. Shout out sa inyo. Pinapa-shoutout
Also-
kayo ng The Lovable Stanley Yoshida.
The lovable and
Yes.
adorable Stanley Yoshida.
Oo.
Okay. At dahil dyan, back to you, General Tura.
Yon. So, guys, nasa comment section, meron kaming poll na lalabas later. It's just a question, sino sa tingin nyo ang mananalo sa Demolition Derby.
Yun.
But there's gonna be, you should answer sa poll mismo, no? Wag sa comment section, sa poll. Ayan. After we introduce each of our vehicles, ano tayo dito, dire-diretso tayo, no? Kasi your votes will count sa final result. Ayan. So,
Yan.
mabigat yung responsibility ng viewers. Ilan sila? O 12. Di ba? Tayo, 4 lang. Di ba? So, malaki-laki yung points ng viewers natin. So, let's start the debate proper. So, I'll be explaining the rules as we go. So, Rule 1. Ayan. Each panelist must select one fictional car to pit against each other, the other fictional cars ng ibang panelists. So, sinend na namin yan kay Mike, sinend na ni Raymond yung kanya, sinend ko na yung akin, sinend ni rin ni Trickster yung kanya. So, Mike has actually an advantage kasi alam niya yung picks namin. Di ko alam yung pick ng iba. Alright? Pero si Mike, he has this advantage. So, ewan ko kung
Dinosaur lang si Mike.
So, kung sasanction na natin si Mike ng -1 point mamaya, pero titingnan natin, no? We'll see.
Oh.
We'll see. Syempre,
Di-
to be fair, no, wag muna. Ayan, wag muna. Alright. Ayan. So, next. Ano yun, Mike?
Ano tayo na akala nila may advantage ako. Pero actually, when we posted it kagad, nakaisip
already
na
have
kagad
your
ako na
pick.
sa akin ko. Oo, kasi ang hindi alam, ang people should know na vehicles play a fun role sa mundo ng pop culture eh. So many iconic vehicles are at play. So parang ang una ko kagad naisip nun is to choose a specific vehicle na malapit sa puso ko. Yan.
Yun. Flintstones movie.
Flintstones and dinosaur.
Animal.
Oh. So, next.
Dinosaur. Sige, dinosaur.
Oo. Next is the vehicle must have wheels. So, dapat may gulong and it's identified as a wheel. No, hindi truck, hindi the hover shit, or hindi, I don't know, hindi balloon. Yung sa Fortnite car, di ba? Balloon, may balloon. I don't know. So, it has to be plain circular wheels. So, it will count as a wheel if it's circular. Except na lang sa tank truck. So, hindi pwede yun. And then, it must be a ground vehicle. So, dapat suspended siya sa ground. Wala siyang ability to fly. Wala siyang ability to transform into anything else. Diba? It's just a vehicle. Next, it should be non-sentient. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya buhay. Wala siyang, kumbaga, non-living thing dapat siya. So, Optimus Prime, Lightning McQueen, hindi pwede. Magic School Bus, hindi pwede. Bumblebee, hindi pwede. Sino pa? Basta yun sila. No, hindi sila pwede. Ban list natin, so, we are not allowed to pick any version of the Batmobile because that will be pretty OP. No, sabihin mo yung yung tangke sa yung recent na mga movies na DCEU. Sobrang OP nun. Talo agad kami. Ewan ko lang. So, thoughts to consider. We already did our research, so we'll consider in-game lore or lore accurate na control, stats, and feats. Diba? Kung nga rin, nakita nyo sa movie, ito yung nangyari sa car, you can put it to strengthen your argument. So, this is not to determine whose vehicle is iconic, kung sino yung mas sikat na vehicle. This is to determine who wins a fictional demolition derby. So, the debate proper has 3 parts. Meron tayong opening statement, meron tayong rebuttal, meron tayong closing statement. And each panel member has a maximum of 5 minutes per part. Kaya bahala kung gusto nyo short and sweet, or gusto nyo medyo long and elaborate yung statements nyo. Okay lang. Basta it's within the 5-minute limit. Okay? Goods ba tayo dyan? Goods ba tayo?
Goods.
Okay na. Goods.
So,
Let's go. All right. Let's start with our opening segment. So I think as a host, sige, ako na magsisimula and we go me, Mike, Trix, and then Raymond. And then sa rebuttals mamaya, Raymond, Trix, Mike, ako. And then closing statement, balik ulit tayo. Ako, Mike, Trickster, and then Raymond. So all goods tayo. Teka, kinukulit ako ng aso ko. Luna, wait lang. Alright. So,
parang kailangan ko mag-notes dito para...
kailangan mo mag-notes para makontra mo yung mga kalaban mo, di ba? Para makakarebat ka, di ba? Pwede yun. It's part of your your strategy. Ayan. So, my car in this demolition derby, o-open yung gates kasi demolition derby represent yung car, di ba? Slowly o-open yung gate, tapos biglang, boom! Uy! Kulang! Hindi akasya sa gate yung sasakyan ko.
Uy,
My
malaki.
car breaks through the gate and what appears to be a towering 27-meter tall M510 Mammoth from the Halo series just
Oh.
appears into the arena. Ayan. So yun yung sasakyan ko. This is a M510 Mammoth from Halo. It's 27 meters tall, 32.8 meters wide, and 66.3 meters long. So
Yeah,
kita nyo naman yung di ba? Kita nyo naman yung yung Warthog, di ba? Sobrang liit, and then yung tao sobrang liit din. So, ayan. It weighs 439.1 metric tons. So I don't know. All your cars combined, baka mas mabigat pa rin yung gulong ng sasakyan ko lang. Ayan. Again, it's used during the Human Covenant War by the United Nations Space Command, and mind you, it took alien technology to immobilize this vehicle. Keyword, immobilize and not destroy. Okay? So, I don't know, may EMP siguro na sumabog, no? Tinira siya ng EMP, boom, immobilized yung car. But it wasn't destroyed totally. It's still standing, diba? So, in a fictional demolition derby, I don't know what you guys' cars are, I will squish your cars. This guy will squish your car. This is heavy, this is big, and it's nearly indestructible. Yun. And, syempre, kulang ang demolition derby without weapons. So, my car has one Mark 2547 35 centimeter heavy railgun and multiple rocket launcher systems. So, I don't know. Again, big. I might be slow. My car might be slow, but speed isn't really a factor when it comes to a demolition derby. People would actually want their cars to be heavy. They want them full of armor, and that's what I'm bringing to the table. All right, the Mammoth M510 from the Halo series. And with that, I rest my case.
Dami sinabi.
I like how Jazz details the vehicle ng mammoth na vehicle na to. Pero kumbaga, TLDR lang naman nito. Pag malaki talagang
It's big.
Tuloy. Pag malaki talagang talagang
Malaki yung
kailangan pakita
diba?
mo. Oo.
Oh, diba? Yun lang yun.
Pag malaki, kailangan mo pag malaki. Yan.
Oh,
Kitang-kita agad sa mata kitang-kita agad eh.
malaki.
Malaki.
Oo.
Oh.
Alright,
Kumbaga,
Mike. Your turn.
Pag si Jazz talaga, dako kung dako eh.
Dako.
Sa case ko naman, while Jazz it has a vehicle na ano tawag mo doon? Full detail, maganda yung mga specifications niya, alam mo may alam niya kagad kung saan niya kukunin yung inspiration niya doon eh. While malaki ang gusto ni Jazz, kailangan meron tayong pang-performance dapat. Yung sabi nga, di ba, when you are...
Kulang ang laki. Kailangan may performance. Ganon.
Oo, yan. kumbaga sa baril, 6 mong baril, wala ka namang babarilin. So, with that being said, ako, I've been a gearhead since I don't know when I was still bata pa lang ako, mahilig na talaga ako sa sakyan. So most of my games din involve vehicles. So, pero yung akin kasi hindi ganyan kasi laki. Pero
I'm sure
itong vehicle
everyone
na to
except Jazz.
stood
Hindi kasi laki.
the test of time.
To the
Yeah?
Kumbaga ito,
Flintstones nga to, pre.
Flintstones.
Textbook.
Hindi.
Dinosaur.
Hindi.
Dinosaur.
Wala kasing weapon yun kung yun lang gagamitin ko. Diba? Kailangan lumalaban to. Kailangan may kahit anong size ng kalaban mo, kailangan meron siyang arsenal, kailangan meron siyang gear.
Yung sa
It will
dinosaur.
be able to attack, defend, and evade when necessary. So, may I present to my fellow friends the 1990s iconic rock and roll racing battle track.
Ooh.
That has threads though.
That's a stretch though.
Ha?
It has
Ano
to have
stretch?
wheels, Mike. Those aren't wheels.
Edi palitan natin yung ano na yan. In the rock and roll racing scene naman kasi may mga kanya-kanya silang mga wheels, 'di ba? So, kung
So
papalitan
you
ko
can
lang naman
change.
yung
Interchangeable.
Interchangeable. Yeah, I think this is
So-
familiar. Yeah.
So the game lang naman is simple eh. All of you will fight for the domination of your galaxy. So kung ang hinahanap mo lang naman di sige, lagyan natin ng gulong yung akin. Di may
Yan ba yung technicality ang puta?
nadali ako sa technicality. Pero the rule naman is very clear. Ako I would just go for the Marauder. Kasi yun naman talagang ano ko eh. Toko to. Piliin ko lang saan na yun?
Teka,
Advantage ba ni Mike to? Kasi matanda na siya. Pwede siyang isa pa.
Di pa.
Hindi, technical siya eh. So, kailangan niya palitan, di ba? Yun.
Yan. So the vehicle nga naman is to those who don't know, this is medyo nagtataka nga ako bakit hindi to sumikat tong laro na to eh. Kasi this game is been known by by a developer called Blizzard.
No, because Biker
Yeah.
Mice from Mars is way more famous. It has the game,
No.
diba? I think it has similar game style sa Biker Mice. Tama ba?
I don't think
Oo.
so. Is it?
Or not?
Hindi.
Ano-
Iba yung nun.
Kasi parang
Oh,
parang naglalaro kami ng arcades before. Meron yan, and then meron yung Biker Mice. Maraming naglalaro ng Biker Mice. I don't know. So, alright.
Sorry.
Oy,
Bakit pa yun?
ayan.
Oh,
Yun.
Yan.
So, may
Yan
gulong
ang
na. Ayan,
kotse.
yan
May
ang
gulong na.
kotse. Yan ang car.
Yan ang kotse.
Okay,
Apat yun
so
po.
it has talagang doon ako nadali Pero it has a good engine, good wheels, good suspension. Kumbaga hindi ko dinidiscredit yung kung ano yung pinakita ni Just na laki. Hindi man to malaki pero this is a good performer.
Yun, grabe naman. Oh. Kailangan talaga may performance din, no?
Oo, sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba? 6 mong baril kung wala ka naman babaril, di ba?
Alright. So, yun. Yun kay Mike. Alright, Trickster. Your turn.
This is weird because I sent Mike two entries. I don't know if I should just use just one or should I
Yeah,
defer
just
to
one.
Cap's decision. Should I
Di kung anong tingin mong pwede mong isabak. Tapos ako nang bahalang mag-project.
And, it's a bit hard to
Ooh.
choose because like mine absolutely loses out to everyone's cars here, since my first pick is the Mach 5 from Speed Racer. Here he comes. Here comes Speed Racer. Of course, it's not fit for Demolition Derby, but he still has the tools to survive.
Because it's fast.
Not just that, but he has gadgets like the things on his wheels. That's not just the alphabet to remember what he's doing. So he's got built-in jacks where he can make himself jump while still driving. Belt tires, so pwede siya maging so he can transform into an all-terrain vehicle while still being very fast. And for C, you got cutter blades, so you can, those in front, so he can just cut shrubs and any kind of obstacle in front of him. And for the defense system, of course, you have D for defense. That way, he can shield himself from projectiles and all types of bullets coming at the driver. For E, this is for if things get dark, it's just a night vision system. And another type of and for Frogger mode, if at some point he needs to lie low and go for aquatic themes, he can just swim, I think, and basically turns into a mini submarine. And for G, he has a support drone that helps him out in tight spaces, and he can just shit talk anyone if he wants to, with it. So more of a utility car than a destruction car.
All right. So Trickster will fight this with speed. Si Mike performance, ako size, si Trickster speed. Now, Raymond, show us what you got.
Dahil gamer din tayo, katulad ni Jazz, yan. Siyempre yung pipiliin ko yung nalaro ko na Demolition Derby. Yeah, I think all of you guys know this, o baka nalaro nyo na rin. Twisted Metal 2, if you know, if you're familiar. And sa secret character na yun, si Minion. The tank.
Of course, you go for the boss. The
You
boss
go for
character.
the secret character.
The
This is
secret
why I was
character.
This is why I was considering whether I should go for the Twisted Battle character or for Speed Racer.
Yeah.
It's too unfair if I go for a Twisted Metal character because Minion is too fucking unfair.
Brief history about Minion. Siya yung unang kotse na nanalo sa Twisted Metal Tournament Calypso nung 1. And then nung 2, doon lang ni-reveal kung sino yung character niya o sino yung nagdadrive sa kanya. And guess who's the driver of this freaking car?
Isn't it
Si Satan.
Yeah, it's a demon. It's just a
Satan.
fucking demon.
Ayun. Diba? And then galing siya from saan ba? Galing siya sa ilalim ng lupa. Tapos lumabas para sumali para maghiganti lang kay Calypso, which is siya yung
He just stole his
nagpapa tournament. So ano ba powers nito? So if you play this game or if you play Twisted Metal 2, alam niyo yung code na up, down, left, right, L1, R1. Lalabas niya yung fire, ice, electricity in the same sabay-sabay. So yung car na naka-target sa bugagad. So yun. So siya, secret character siya at the same time one of the secret bosses nung Twisted Metal 2.
Look, it even has wheels.
Yeah.
Right? It has wheels. So hindi na
Ano?
technical hindi na technical si Raymond.
Napaka ko doon. Na-technical ako doon ng D oras. Pero
Given the rules specifically state it must have circular wheels. Let's do a different Demolition Derby in a future season na like all no holds barred basta vehicle siya na non-sentient. So,
Mga boss characters na lang pipiliin natin kung ganun yun.
palakasan
pick
ng
the Snowpiercer or something. I don't know. So, alright. So, everyone, ayan na. We introduced our cars. I got the M510 Mammoth from Halo. Si Raymond naman, kinuha niya si Minion from Twisted Metal. Si Trickster was Mach 5 from Speed Racer. And Mike, ano nga yung sa'yo? Anong game? What game was that?
The battle track,
Sorry.
right?
Battle
Yeah, the
Track.
Marauder.
Marauder.
Well, Battle Track siya kasi yung threads yun eh. Pero we will go for the Marauder dahil apat ang gulong. Yeah.
Yun. So, Mike with the Marauder. Ayan. So, Mike, ilabas mo yung poll. Ayan. And ask the viewers, no, who do you think will win the Demolition Derby? Ayan. So, all you have to say a name. Jazz, Raymond, Trickster, kainis? Bakit? Ayaw ba inutusan ka, Mike?
Hindi. Nainis. Sorry. Nainis ako kasi nung I already made my choice on the vehicle. Nung pinadala mo yung sayo, sabi ko talaga, bad trip talaga to. Laki. Lakong laban dito eh.
Alright.
Pero yun.
Okay. While Mike sets up his the poll, no, para sa ating mga viewers, let's start the second phase ng ating debate, which is the rebuttal phase. So everyone has the chance now to rebut each other, no? Hindi mandatory, pero syempre para to be fair, you rebut each of your competitor, 'di ba? Si Raymond magsisimula, re-rebut niya ako, rebut niya yung kay Mike, rebut niya yung kay Trickster, and then vice versa, no? Ako ulit, then ayan Mike, and then All right, let's do this. Raymond, start your rebuttal.
So, yun. Kita ko yung kotse ni yung vehicle ni Jazz, which is 4K metric ton. So it is easily detectable. Then basically slow. Then mabigat. And then sinabi niya still may konti na parang pwede pa siyang masira. Pero basically, ang pinaka-cons talaga niya is madali siyang ma-detect kasi sobrang laki. 'Di ba? Tapos, compare mo naman sa apat, I guess yung sa akin yung pwedeng lumaban sa'yo eh. Compare mo.
Magic.
Compare yung kay Mike, I think durog agad yung kotse ni Mike kay Jazz and basically yung kay Trix.
Oh,
I think sa akin lang, one-on-one, maybe me and Jazz would be a balanced competitor. Pero yung dalawa, let's face it, I got tons of missiles din. Yan,
yeah,
di
look
ba?
at these stats. That's fucking
Yan.
not fair. His special weapon is maxed out.
Yeah. Yan. So, basically, ako yung makakatalo lang kay Joseph based dun sa kinuha kong details ng dalawang dalawang vehicles niya. So,
Alright.
Fight
So,
me.
ayun. Fight me, no? So, yung strategy mo, aantayin mong sirain ko yung kanilang dalawa, and then 1v1 tayo, ganun.
well, basically, I can rip off those two. Diba? Alam naman natin yan.
Oh, yes.
Diba?
Yeah,
I can
look at
easily
that.
rip those two.
You just
Ay lang
destroyed
dalawa
Roadkill
talaga yung pwedeng
immediately.
pwedeng mag one-on-one.
Alright. Ayan, ingay ng aso ni Raymond. Suportado ka ng aso mo, Raymond. Ikaw yung panalo. Suportado ng aso mo. Ayan. Alright. So, yun na ba, Raymond? Yun lang?
Yun lang.
Alright. So, let's move on to Trickster.
Like what Raymond said. Yeah, your car is a huge fucking target, and mine will immediately die. Pero I still have the advantage of speed. I just have to outrun the guns. But since you brought up your size and your invulnerability, you forget you also have your you have a wide opening on top of you. So the Mach 5 can basically jump on top of you and just not get hit by you unless you want to harm yourself. I could just run over every soldier inside the car with my with my with the cutter blades, and practically disable you from within. Yeah. So yeah. Oh my God! You even got that for you. Yeah. So yeah. I definitely lose out to Minion, pero I can at least try and fight back with speed and utility when it comes to the Mach 5. There, you have the cutters. I can just just turn everyone into slushy inside inside the mammoth. But I don't think that I think my only fair fight here is with Cap, because at least he's a normal car that's not driven by a demon and not a space car. Yeah, yeah, like the driver is still a space orc, but at least the car is somewhat fair when it comes to the arsenal. So yeah,
Oo.
he's the only he's my only fair fight in the fight. We have to treat Josh like a raid boss since he's the biggest out of
Raid
out of
boss.
the
Boss.
For lack of a
Have you
better
seen
term,
the
I agree
size?
with Trickster.
Oh. Yeah, we gotta take down the big one first, then we settle for ourselves.
Oo.
He's got a big ass cannon, so we have to we have to avoid all sorts of firepower from the mammoth, then take it out from inside. Like
Yan.
if we can get the hatch open up, he's dead. Like that's it. Like if we can infiltrate it, he can't be able to fight back.
Ayan. Oo nga naman.
There's the drone.
Oo, yan. Yung drone, ulitin lang natin yan. Kasi I had to rewind that while you were saying it.
Yeah. Like he can. It's the drone itself is also a utility thing. Aside from assists, he can also project messages from the car. So I can commit collusion within our ranks. And, maybe we can get the team up.
Oo.
Nagkakampihan na, no?
Oh,
Alright.
ang dami! Ang laki mo eh. At least
Alright,
isa
so
tangke na may demonyo.
Kahit magkampihan sila, olats pa rin silang dalawa.
Oo.
Tayo pa rin dalawa eh.
Tayo pa rin, tayo mag
Tanggalan
At
natin
the end
siya
of the match,
para
it's
at
either
least
me or Jazz will fight
Oo.
for the championship. So,
Oo.
diba?
Alright. Okay, Mike, how about you?
Wala na siyang masabi.
Pwede ko ba sabihin na wala akong masabi sa pag-present nyo ng mga cases ninyo sa
You still got your
sa
weapons,
games.
man.
I know. Pero kukontrahin ko lang yung sinabi ni Raymond. Hindi. Kami lang talaga ni Diyos ang
You
magdodominate.
got missiles.
Pero may I remember na yung infinite na yan, yung mga weapons na sinasabi na infinite or mga malalakas, everyone has their weak points eh.
Oh, yeah.
That being said,
Me, I'm
eh,
literally weak.
pero I will
I'm the
compensate
only
it with the
normal one.
powers I have na yan yung Marauder. Para lang malaman ninyo kung ano ang magagawa nito. This one stood the test of time, went to different planets, have different weapons. Aanin mo yung, tingnan mo na. Kasi sinasabi na, sabi ni Raymond kanina, matatalo daw kami ng minion. Hindi nga makakatakbo ng mabilis yan eh. Hindi nga ako mauunahan, no? Lalagyan ko lang ng mine yan sa ilalim. Hindi mo, makakabol ka agad dyan.
May homing missile ako, Mike, so I can easily, diba?
Alright,
Oo,
I have to
pero-
specify this is a demolition derby and not a racetrack. Okay,
Yeah.
so we are
Yeah.
confined
That
in a
Saka
space.
sobrang luma na nung specs ng kay Mike. Sobrang old school.
And
Kung sa kanya lumano yung akin.
sa speed,
Galing sa
hindi nga to,
fitness pa yun.
this is not a race. Okay, hindi nga siya sa race eh. Pero I am fast enough to evade you, pero also smart enough to defeat you.
Oh, really? Okay.
So, pwede mo kong habulin, maglalagay ako ng mines para hindi ka para maiwasan mo, pero I can simply turn around and throw in my weapons on you. Oh, and by the way, pwede rin pala ako lumipad. Ewan ko lang yung
Oh, no
mga laki
flying,
ng mga
No
bato
flying
dyan.
though. No
There's no
flying.
flying,
We have to
diba?
be suspended in the
Bawal,
ground.
bawal lumipad.
No.
Oh.
Jump
Lumipad.
pwede. You can
I
jump,
can jump.
pwede. But you flying
Kailangan
like,
lumipad by
like
jumping.
suspended in the air, hindi pwede.
No. It's
Ano,
yan.
paano kung
Yan,
glide?
gumalon.
Pababa.
Hindi, it has to be powered pa rin for ano. It has powered pa rin with something. So, jump pa rin yung technically yung glide mo, Trickster. So, yes, point taken ka doon. Diba? Oh. Dali, si General na.
Alright. Okay. I mean, you got nice points. Right? I made everything valid points. I think in a scenario where you guys got lucky, no, like Trickster said, papasok daw siya dun sa opening sa likod nung sa taas na opening and then just turn everyone into slush. Trickster, again, I think we are in agreement na our cars are driven by their original drivers, right? Your car has been driven by the character from Speed Racer, yung kay Raymond, si Satan yung sumasakay sa kanya, and Mike was like that space orc, right? I want to remind you, the people who operate the M510 Mammoth are trained space marines. They're not dumb. Okay? They're not normal people. The moment they see you jump in on top of the thing, it was like, oh god, let's like move away or like, I don't know, go to the lower floor or something.
Yeah, but
They will do
they're
that.
not Master Chief though. They're the NPCs who are bound to die.
They're
If it was Master
NPCs
Chief,
with
if it
common
was Master
sense.
Chief,
Trickster.
if it was Master Chief, I could understand. But everyone is fated to die. That is not Master Chief. You know, unless they are named, they're fated to die.
But again, they at least they have common sense to just, hey, and then there's no space. Do you think there's much space when you land there? You can just
Oh, yeah.
do donuts up top? No. Like,
Hell yeah, you
again,
can
the
do that.
space is so small. All right?
Hindi ako
It
dadaan
might
sa
be
taas.
heavy.
Hindi ako dadaan sa taas sa baba.
Pwede ko
Kasi
naman
I
i-close
can
yan
go
eh.
in.
I can close that. It can be
Pero
closed.
I can
Like, yeah, he can bust it open.
I can squash it open.
Yeah, you can bust it open. Yeah, but again, I mean the Mammoth is being operated by soldiers who know how to do their shit. And again, hindi lang, you got machine guns on the side. It was like, I can just stand there and let the machine gun, like you being like pinned down by machine gun fire everywhere. Trickster, you might be fast, but on an arena, like an enclosed arena, you like laws of physics would dictate. If you go too fast, you're gonna hit a wall. You're gonna, like, babangga ka. Diba? Hindi ka makakabuelo eh. Diba? So, syempre, if a racetrack to, then meron kang runway.
Laws of physics doesn't apply. Fucking, we got magic weapons here.
Oh.
Alright, fine. If physics don't apply, if in a world where we fight where physics don't apply, then you can have that argument. Alright?
Yeah.
But again, like the
Nakano pa siya.
armaments, like
Oo.
the machine guns, the missiles, the railgun. I could just shoot the railgun on the ground and matutumba kayo lahat. You will, like, it will create a huge crater in the ground. And then, I will just go ham on the craters. And then mahuhulog kayo doon, you can't move, right? And if all
talaga
else
disadvantage talaga
fails,
ng dalawa yan. Sa akin,
Eh,
kaya
diba?
ko pa eh.
Ako,
You put up a
tatayo lang
giant
ako eh.
fucker.
Tatayo lang ako, pwede akong tumayo lang. And if
Yeah.
you happen to be on like below me, I just squish you. And if
Yeah,
all else fails, the Mammoth has a fusion reactor inside where it can go kamikaze. If all
That's the
else
best
fails,
part.
I'll be taking you all down with me,
Yeah,
and
that's
there
fine.
will be no winner.
That's fine.
Pero
I
si Satan pa din. Buhay pa
Yeah.
din ako.
If
Pero
I
yung
can
sasakyan
win,
yung sira na. So,
So, pero buhay pa rin yung driver.
if
The
I
car,
can win,
we're talking
I
about the
will
car.
make you lose. That's it.
Diba?
That's the motto. That's the Fall
I
Guys
will
motto.
isasabog ko lang yung sarili ko. Yun lang
It's not-
yung ano.
It's not enough that I win, you must lose.
Oh.
Ito
So,
ganito lang.
hindi mo-
Kasi may powers yung kotse ni Satan, which is si Minion, na kaya niyang bumalik sa sarili niya. So, ikaw, magkamikaze ka, sira ka na. Ako, pwede akong bumalik.
Mm. You can
regenerate.
just get a new tank. But
Diba?
But again, if your car breaks, you lose. I don't care if the driver survives.
yeah.
If the in a demolition derby, kahit pa buhay yung driver at the end, if your car breaks, you lose the demolition derby.
So,
Diba?
kaya nga Raymond, dapat unahin natin siya para at least
Oo, no? Imagine mo
Oo.
pagkaisa natin yan.
Oo.
Pwede.
Again, if you gang up on me, I'll go kamikaze on everyone. I mean,
That's fine. We all lose.
We all lose. No one wins.
Walang
And I
panalo.
walang mananalo, right?
Eh, kesa naman sa ikaw lang ang manalo, di ba rin
Oo.
walang manalo?
Hindi lahat na lang tayo.
Oo. Pati yung
Ay.
audience sabog din, pwede.
Sabog din, oh, lahat. Wala talaga. No one
Walang
will
buhay.
know, no witnesses. Diba? Kasi
Oo.
nga, fusion reactor yun eh. So,
Ah,
wala
talagang
talaga.
bagay lang siya sa bagay yung sasakyan mo sa sa ibang planeta. Pag sa
Oo.
Hindi sa Earth.
Hindi sa Earth.
Okay. So, that's the end of our rebuttal phase. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for our closing statements. So, I'm gonna start the closing statements with, again, everyone has decent points. Everyone has an argument to win. Right? Si Mike, he has an argument to win kasi nga, he has the performance, di ba? Na parang pwedeng chepi siya somewhere, right? And then hit us where it hurts. Si Trickster naman will use his speed, his yung mobility ng sasakyan niya to take us out. Si Raymond naman, again, he's imbued with magic and cheat code, 'di ba? But you have to remember, Raymond, the moment na ikaw na yung gumagamit kay Minion, ang bonak ni Minion pag ikaw na yung gumagamit. Compared kung yung boss na Minion. Right? So technically nerfed ka, Raymond, kasi ikaw yung kumokontrol.
bad trip na nerf dahil ako yung may driver.
Oo. Na-nerf ka kasi
Saka
kakampi kayo eh, 'di ba? Kasi siya yung ikaw, kumbaga kontrolado mo na yung si Minion eh. So nerf siya kasi hindi na siya yung final boss. Player na siya, 'di ba? So yun yung yun yung ko sa iyo, 'di ba? Nerf ka at some degree, right? At syempre naman kay Mike, let's be honest, Mike. Like I don't know how like you hit me, pung, ganon, like even if pagtutulungan ka, gagawin ka lang pain ni Trickster at ni Raymond. To be fair.
Okay, hold on.
Wait.
Kung
Let
gagawin
me
ako,
finish talking.
Okay.
Let me finish talking. Mamaya ka na, ikaw naman ang susunod. Gagawin kang pain ni Trickster at ni Raymond. Because at least they can evade me. Diba? Like Trickster, pwede siyang drip lang siya, diba? Hindi ko siya matamaan or like mas mabilis pa siya sa bala ng machine gun or ng railgun. Si Raymond, syempre, doing what Satan does best, right?
Cheat.
Cheat. Ganun yun. So, Mike, I mean, you have the most normal ass car in this derby. And I feel bad for you for picking a normal ass car.
Normal.
You could have picked the Turbo Zord from Power Rangers, imbued with the
power of a truck.
morphin grid, di ba? Pero alright. I mean, you picked like a normal like space car. So, yun na yung akin. I mean, that's how I will win. I mean, I ain't even gonna use the fusion reactor gimmick, para lang para to make it fair to everyone and we have a definite winner. Ganon. So again,
And like,
yun yung
it's
sa
not
akin.
fair. He has an entire crew inside this shit. Tapos we're all just the drivers.
Oo.
Like if it was just you, you have to manually use
Do
all those
everything.
weapons by yourself.
Hindi automatic. Bad trip.
Trip? Ano ba to? Akit na naman ako ulit para babaril, no? Akit ako ulit. Ay, gagawin wait lang. Kailangan ko mamagniobra. Baba na naman ako ulit. Dadrivein ko na naman.
Di ba?
Ang tuga.
Alright, Mike. Your turn. Alright.
Ako kasi, I chose sabi ni Jazz, I chose daw a cheapest, a basic car compared daw sa kanila. Pero sabi ko nga, 'di ba, my vehicle has good performance kasi I go to planets. My car is fast.
With your
Pero at the
spaceship.
same time can invent. Oh, 'di ba? Pero I drive it. I drive that and use all the weapons in my arsenal. So kung pwede ko kayong eliminate na tatlo, I can do it on my own in my own vehicle with very minimal very minimal legroom kumbaga to use the weapons. Imagine mo yung kay Jazz, laki ng vehicle ko kasi kaya ko kayong ipitin lahat. Pero
Yeah. That's what I was debating when he brought this topic up. Like, should I go for something OP or should I go for something at least normal? You know?
oo, bago ko maipit yung si Mike, maakit muna ako doon sa cockpit ko para lang kumandar, tapos pupunta ako doon sa weapons ko para lang mabalik. Kung if you're the one driving.
No.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
Yun yung ano ko doon eh. Kasi
Kaya
yung kay Trickster,
may cruise siya eh. At least kami nagdrive. Ikaw, you can just move
I mean,
very slowly.
we specifically, kumbaga na latag natin na si Raymond, si Satan yung nagdadrive ng sasakyan niya. So that's where we put na canonically dinadrivean din tayo ng respective na drivers or whatever it is that needs to be done sa car. Right?
oo. At saka hindi naman pinili ni Raymond yung na yan. Hindi naman pinili ni Raymond yung minion na yan dahil si Satan nagmamaneho dahil pareho sila ng Caracas. Pero isipin mo,
Demonyo ka pala, Raymond eh.
Demonyo ka pala daw eh.
Ano matandang ko?
Demonyo ka pala daw eh.
pero Raymond's personality kasi is a guy na has everything in his arsenal. Sige, kaya kong gamitin yung mga weapons na yan kung ano man ang modes yan. Pero ang tanong ba talaga kaya mo bang kahit papaano mag-maneuver at mag-U-turn?
Si Satan nga yung nagdadrive, Mike.
Oo.
If Satan, sabihin natin, if Satan was driving, he doesn't even know how to U-turn shit.
No, canonically he can. Kasi nga sa game, he can. Again, we're sticking on in-game feats, lores, and mechanics here.
Yeah, he
Not
made that
Raymond himself as a driver.
Sorry. Naano ko kay Raymond eh.
Demonyo ka
Nainis
kasi
ako doon
daw.
sa choice nainis ako doon sa choice si Raymond eh. Kahit alam ko na malaki yung kay Jazz at saka alam nating malakas.
Sa personal ako, ayoko na ganito.
Na personal ka, no?
Na ano ko doon sa choice ni Raymond nung pinadala niya sa akin yung picture na yun, and obviously I had to prepare the pictures for it. Para sabi ko talaga pambira naman tong tao.
Kailan niya ba sinend yan?
Ngayon lang.
Ngayon lang. Okay, so it didn't have to change.
Yeah. Yung animal na yan, sinend niya talaga sa akin So, talagang mapapaisip ka eh. Para sabi ko, pambira naman to si Raymond. Minsan na lang magpapakita, gugulpin pa kami lahat, di ba? So, yun. Pero, as a vehicle who goes from planet to planet, winning money, di ba? Kada race ko nun, kailangan manalo ko to be the first place. Kailangan may pera ko to upgrade my everything eh. My vehicle is upgradable at the least. I'm not sure about the rest.
Okay. Alright. So, upgradable. So, dun ka sa flexibility.
Pero you came in unupgraded.
You came in broke. That's why you're joining the Demolition Derby. Because you got relegated.
Walang machine gun, walang Gatling gun, walang rocket missiles, walang
Pero diyan mo malalaman ang grit ng isang taong walang
wala.
Oo.
Ayan.
Mamamatay
Alright.
ako! Okay.
Okay, Trickster. How about you?
What were we talking about again? Shit.
No, closing statements lang. Like,
Okay.
solidify your argument and then solidify your rebuttals.
For real.
And why will you win? Ganun.
I mean, I know I wouldn't win because of your goddamn pick. So, I thought we would be at least somewhat normal. Ako nga, I was surprised you went for the Battle Track and Marauder. I thought you would go for something else, like Knight Rider or Spy Hunter. Those were excellent picks. I could go for those, but no, I guess to combat with just ginormous, you can't even call it a car anymore. That's a Trojan horse right there.
Yun nga.
Like, yeah, like, I was hoping we could go for at least, like, Vigilante or whatever. Kaya nga tinanong if I should go for the first pick or the second pick. Because my second pick was supposed to be Calypso from Twisted Metal 4. Because at least,
kaya,
because I have the
Sorry.
same game plan as Jazz. Like yung, my special weapon is a fucking nuke. So, like,
yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, parang when Trickster was next in line no after me dun sa pag-expose ng vehicles, napapikit na lang ako sabi ko, pambira naman to si Trickster, pipili na lang ng dalawang vehicles, hindi pa yun yung pinili. Pero yun nga, sige, go Trickster.
I wanted to at least to shake things up. You know, the first guy who came out swinging. I ain't beaten that shit, so I'll just go for my first pick then. So, and argue my case. Like, I may not be able to win, but I could at least do some kind of modicum of damage to people here, even if it's not with my items. Kasi at least if I chose with Calypso, I have almost the same weapons as minions minus super, right?
Yeah.
Pero para naman. Other than a game, we could go for other pop culture cars. Pero
Alright.
it's still fun din. I want to have fun
Okay.
with the Mach 5.
Ilan
Alright.
ba yung nagdadrive? Teka lang, ilan ba yung nagdadrive ng Mach 5 ni Jazz? Di ba marami?
Ng alin? Nung,
Yung mammoth ni Jazz?
Yung
Yung
mamot mo,
20, at least 20
Oh, diba?
crew.
Oh.
Oo.
if I can manipulate them, kasi ako nga
Just kill you as a
Ikaw nga pala si Satanas,
Sa
buisit.
loob.
I can manipulate them easily. Walang magdadrive nung mamot mo. And I can easily
Oh, so,
pwede
Kasi
ko rin dahil electronic siya, pwede
you
kong
just freeze the system.
freeze the electricity, tapos wala na. Not functionable ka talaga. Kahit yung nuke mo, hindi mo magagamit. Diba?
It's like,
Pero at the end of the day, kung walang ganyan, yeah, may laban ka, may laban tayong dalawa, pero yung dalawa wala.
oh, wala. Like, I'm the most normal fucker here. All I got are gadgets. It's like lesser Batman, but for racing. That's it.
Actually, dapat nga ang pipiliin ko yung kay Spectre Gadget, yung gadget.
Gadget.
The gadget mobile.
mobile.
Yeah.
Gadget
Oo.
mobile.
Yun ang
Kasi masaya din
panggulo, yun ang panggulo sa Demolition Derby.
Go, go, gadget.
Go gadget, blah blah blah.
Kahit
Ang lambot masyado for Demolition Derby kasi. Diba? Ang lambot niya masyado. Yung sweet race ay yung sweet, yung kay Trix nga, medyo malambot nga din eh. Yun nga lang.
Oh. At least, we could have fun with what he has.
Yeah, yun.
Kasi kapag si Gadget Mobile, kahit pwede niya labas yan. Go, Gadget Dildo! Go.
Putang ina.
Ang dami-dami mong
Ang dami
pwedeng
pwede
labas.
ilabas.
isipin.
Hindi, pang distraction daw yun. Pang distract daw yun na magugulat lang. Ay, puting naglabas ng dildo. Tapos,
Missile pa yung dildo.
Wisit?
oo. Diba? Pang distract lang pala yung shape.
Tapos may pointer.
Alright. So, Ed, we all have said our piece. Nagkaroon na tayo ng nagkakatapos na ni Raymond ng kayang final, ano tawag dito? Final statement. Mike, bago mo ibigay yung result ng poll, each and every one of us should give 1 point to a different player. Hindi natin pwede bigay yung point sa sarili natin.
Oh, yeah.
Alright? So I must start with mine. I will give it actually to Raymond. Kasi again, close enough. Again, imbued by magic. So kung ako, OP ako due to the tech. Si Raymond naman, OP siya due to magic. And then again, Satan is
Due
a
to
dirty
Satan.
cheater.
Yeah.
So canonically, di natin alam kung anong gagawin niya, 'di ba? Within malay mo. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin ni Satan kasi sapa na siya, demonyo siya, di ba? Ewan ko na lang. So, yun. So, I'm giving my point to Raymond. Mike.
Alam mo, minsan, tayo nahirapan ako mamili. Actually, all the vehicles are good. In their uniqueness, no? Pero, I would give that 1 point to Jazz.
Yun.
Kasi, Nung pinadala niya sa akin ngayon, kanina, bago mag-start yung show, naalala ko to kasi dapat magpapadala kayo yesterday pa yung
Yesterday
deadline.
pa. Yeah.
Oo. Kaya nung pinadala ni Just to, sabi ko talaga, una na lang lumabas sa bibig ko nun, laki ah. So, iba yung nagagawa nung performance nung M510 Mammoth, no. So it's very nice to maganda siyang tingnan, maganda rin siyang gamitin kasi nga naman may gulong siya. Sige, sure, mabagal, pero at saka alam kong it definitely will not beat Satanas at this point, pero with that size, he can definitely try.
Ayun. Okay. Alright, so we got 1 point Raymond, 1 point Jazz. Trickster.
I gotta give it Raymond because he had to specify it's Twisted Metal 2 minion because every other minion is a lot weaker in terms of vehicle and driver. Since Twisted Metal Black minion he's not even a demon. He's just some weird dude in a gimp suit, and Twisted Metal 3 minion is canonically minion who lost and he just wants to get back to hell. so yeah. So Twisted Metal 2 minion is at his strongest talaga. Like despite the speed and handling, he's still a tank. So I'm surprised you guys didn't pick anything from Red Alert. I was hoping someone would go
There
for
are no
the test.
cars.
Tesla tank.
Tesla
Tank has
tank?
it's
Tesla
not
tank?
red. It has wheels.
It has wheels. Shit.
Oo.
I didn't know that. Okay.
The Tesla tank. Oo.
Tesla tank pala.
Yeah.
Okay. Raymond, sino pick mo?
Okay. I'll give my 1 point to Trix.
Just a pity point.
No. It's, actually, binibase ko siya. Hindi ko na binase yung sa'yo, Jazz. Tinitignan ko yung speed-wise and yung mga gadgets ni Trix. And I think most capable of defeating si Trix yun sa kotse ni Mike. Yeah. So, I'll give my 1 point to Trix.
Okay. So, we got 2 points Raymond, 1 point Jazz, 1 point Trickster, and 0 points Mike. Mike, anong result nung ating poll?
Oh, okay. So we
Well,
add the polls to choose your winner between sa ating apat. And I will now let everyone know na Raymond and Jazz had 50% each.
Oh.
Points
Out of
each.
that, hold on we have 14 viewers. We have out of the 14 viewers, 8 ang sumagot. And 4 of
Oh.
them answered for Jazz or for Raymond.
Yun.
Anta-
So,
So,
4-4.
Alan,
So, it means, lamang si Raymond ng isa. Raymond is the ultimate winner of the Demolition
wins
Derby. The
yeah.
demon wins.
Limbal
Demonyo ka
talaga.
pala eh.
Actually,
Ano mo?
ang naging price ni Minion before, do sa 1, ay sa 2,
is Calypso
This-
himself.
escalation himself. Ayan.
Wait, ano bakit binigay si Calypso kay Minion?
No.
Or-
It's basic. Calypso's powers are based on Minion. So he's using Minion's powers to make the Twisted Metal tournament. Minion entered Twisted Metal 2. Defeated
Just to
everyone.
destroy Calypso.
You got something that I don't, and fucking Calypso is just baby crying. No, I don't want to go down there, Minion. It's scary. He literally says it's scary.
Okay. So again, it's decided si Raymond, yung guest pa, yung panalo
Unanimously.
sa ating unanimously. Labang lang siya ng
baka-
isa sa akin. But lightning round this time. I think I'm gonna concede on this lightning round because the lightning round is if hindi siya Demolition Derby and it's an Indy 500 race with Indy 500 rules, I think out na ako dun. I'm the biggest and slowest car. I have no chance of winning that shit. If it's a race. So it
it's
will
up to me
be
and
Mike, Mike and Trickster.
Mike. Yeah.
Oo, kayong dalawa. Sino kaya
Kailangan
mananalo
dalawa
on an
lalaban
Indy?
dyan.
I think, ako kasi kahit tayo na lang Raymond, kasi syempre, wala namang wala naman tayo na, no? So for me, I think, with the feats and the canonically, Trickster's Mach 5 is a champion car. It has already won. It has already proven itself. Diba? My feats, it is not called Mach 5, diba? For no reason at all. It means
pretty fast.
Mach 5 speeds. Right? I don't know if Mike's car would be able to like, alam mo yun, tawag dyan, parang tatapatan niya yung Mach 5.
Outlast. Oo.
Outlast the Mach 5. Right? So, I think it's clear winner of this lightning round is Trickster.
Oo. Hindi kahit anong nitros pa ang gamitin ko do sa the fact that Trickster's vehicle is fast talaga. He takes the he takes the cake.
He
on
takes
this
the
one.
win. He takes the win on this one. Yun!
Speed Racer, go!
Go!
Unless
So,
kung si
ladies and-
Toretto yung driver nung kay Mike. Pwede.
Family. Baka pwede pa, di ba?
Oo.
Pili ko Mike, kung piliin mo yung Impala ni Dominic Toretto. Pili ko mananalo ka kasi may may flat armor ka eh. Flat armor yun, family.
Tama.
Hindi ka masisira kasi may flat armor ka. Ikaw yung bida, yun yung flat armor mo. Pili ko ikaw yung mananalo, Mike. Kung any sasakyan ni Vin Diesel yung gamit mo.
Hayop. Pero
I mean, I would give you that. Actually, if you pick yung kahit anong sasakyan ni Dominic Toretto, I will give you my point. Seryoso.
American muscle.
Oo, di ba? Pili ko ikaw yung mananalo, Mike. Kasi wala eh. Ano ka eh.
Yes, the
May
power
black
of
armor
family.
ka eh.
Tapos yung pit crew niya, family.
Family. Oo. Family. Kahit, yung tipong kahit sira-sira na yung sasakyan ni Mike, may hihilain lang siya dun sa baba. May boost ulit, di ba? May sisirain niya tayong lahat. Di ba? Or something like that. I don't know, Mike. It could have won if you picked.
kasi the goal was to yung utak ko nun, iniisip ko talaga, how am I supposed to beat these people, these people. So I have to choose a weapon na alam ko na I can actually talk about, di ba? So,
well,
malay ko ba?
Hindi mo na keep in mind yung rules eh. Again, canon
It
feats.
just has to be a car.
It has to be a car. Then yung canonical feats nung car and nung driver, di ba?
Yeah,
So, yun,
and that's the
flat
reason why
ar-
napili ko yun dun sa rock and roll racing and not the goddamn Vin Diesel shit.
Vin Diesel shit. Alright,
You could have chosen the
Lugi.
bus from Vigilante 8, you know?
Oo, yan pa.
Oh, diba? Yung
Sa
Vigilante 8.
pa.
Yung
Oo.
malalakas din ng mga kotse doon.
Oo.
or yung ano nga yun, Mad Max, di ba? We could pick cars from Mad Max or the Death Race. Yung Death Race ni sino nga bino? Kalbo
Si
din,
Jason
Jason
Statham.
Statham. No, di ba? Death Race din, di ba? May ano din yun, may sa mga sasakyan din yun, di ba? I think I've seen, I think during my research, I think may Star Wars din na sasakyan. And then, it's weird, no one picked the Mako sa
I was hoping kaya si Rene might send it the Mako or sa
Mako.
Mass Effect.
Mass Effect,
Kasi
right?
ayun, ilang
It's an
beses-
OP car. Di ba?
Ilang beses tumbling yun.
Oo. And then,
Buhay pa rin.
kahit sa lava, buhay pa rin, di ba? So,
Oo.
I think si Rene, I think he set this one out kasi he knows he's gonna lose because he's gonna pick the Ecto 1. That's his favorite car.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you never
I know.
know.
Ecto 1 yung Ecto 1. Unless si Marshmallow man yung kalaban, ewan ko lang kung mananalo siya.
Talo
Hindi,
pa rin yan.
talo ka Raymond kung Ecto 1 yung dala kasi
Ghostbuster yun.
Ghostbuster yun eh.
Oo. Hihigupin ako na rin eh.
Higupin ka ni Rene, di ba?
Hindi na ako makakadrive.
Wala na yung driver mo.
Wala na yung driver ni Minion.
Mas
Buti
kaya
na lang
na dyan
si
pa kayo na pinili.
Oo,
Buti nag-sit
dali ka. Oo, buti. Alright. Guys, if you enjoy episodes like these, like debate episodes, where magtatagisan lang kami ng gaguhan na talino dito sa podcast, suggest any episode or any type of debate you want. We did this sa iconic video game characters, and that's like with everyone, di ba?
We had lots of those din nung mga previous episodes.
Di ba? May mga debate episodes din kami before. So if you want, guys, just comment down below or i-message nyo kami. May naisip akong idea na na ganito ganyan. Baka sa sunod, na kami, hindi na demolition derby. Talagang away na talaga na kahit anong sasakyan. Di ba? Or pwedeng mecha. Di ba? Let's a mecha fight. Right? Like robot naman, di ba? Robot battle, di ba? Hindi na siya sasakyan lang, di ba?
Basta hindi si Getter Robo, madaya si Getter Robo. Masyadong malakas yung pilot nun eh.
Or yung yung sa Guren Lagan, yung the drill that can pierce the universe, something. Yung sobrang laki na robot, di ba? Baka ganun. So, sakto kasi yun ang background ni Raymond, sino ba yan?
Wing Gundam pa.
Wing Gundam.
Wing Gundam, di ba? So, pwede yun, di ba? So, kayo bahala guys, you comment down. And comment down below kung gusto nyo bumalik si Raymond. Kasi kailangan namin mag-clear out kailangan namin kung DLC siya ngayon, baka, gusto nyo bumalik si Raymond, i-clear out namin yung hard drive, tatanggalin namin si Rene at si Chino para siya na yung pumalit.
Huwag naman! Pwede nyo naman ako i-save file, tapos
I-save file, no?
Para kahit pa paano.
I-zip file, makompress. Or ilagay ka namin sa external.
Kahit naman nyo kung i-zip file namin, tapos o-open ka namin ulit, di ba? Hindi, why not put you on a zip file na lang and i-add ka na lang sa file, di ba?
Pwede.
Sa main game, no?
Gagawin nyo na lang ako from raw file to JPEG para malinaw.
I-screenshot ka namin to silagay ka namin sa floppy disk.
Pero since kung gusto ninyong ipasok si Raymond dito, DLC po si Raymond $4.99.
Pakamura. Sabi ka naman kay Raymond, $4.99 na DLC.
Parang subscription niya ng OF.
Per appearance yun, per appearance. $4.99 per appearance.
Per appearance. Mahal pala.
Mahal pala.
Pero, yun na nga mga kaibigan. That has been a very, very fun and very creative episode from the G3 Podcast. And then, maaga tayo natapos. Kasi, di ba, okay yung usapan natin, di ba? And,
apat lang kasi, kung nandito sila Chino, si Rene.
Matagal-tagal tayo.
Naisip ko kaya, ano kaya pinili ni Notch sa ni Rene? Si Rene, di ba?
Rene, Ecto 1.
Okay.
Ano kay Chino?
Yung turtle van.
Ng ko doon.
Pakiramdam ko yun yung pipiliin nun eh.
Ninja Turtles.
Pero, yung pizza van.
Pizza van, yun. Ayun na, dali din yun, talo din yun. Wala. GG yun. So, wala yun. Wala, ipit yun sa akin. Ganun.
Gawin ko uling pagong yung 4.
Pagong yung 4. Binalik
sa
pagong.
Yun na nga. And that's it for this week's episode. So, final words from our panel, no? Plug nyo yung mga dapat nyo i-plug. Batiin nyo lahat nyo batiin. Kung anong ganap nyo, no? I-promote nyo na. Raymond, simulan natin sa'yo.
Ayun. So, shoutout lang kay Ate Len. Ate Len, sa PGDX, pag nagkita ulit tayo para sakayin ulit kita sa aking brum-brum. Thank you so much guys for the opportunity. And hopefully dumami pa yung opportunity na to. And sa mga viewers, I have a page. It's called Retrofit Gaming and Studio.ph. You just check out my pages. Yan, yung studio, it's gaming services, and yung Retrofit Gaming is streaming service, for the streaming content. So yun, thank you guys. Thank you Converge, thank you Fantech, thank you Bezel, mga sponsor ko.
Mga sponsor yan. Alright, nice. Mike.
Okay, so again, another fun episode na naman of the G3 Podcast. Thank you sa mga viewers namin who's making every Saturday at 9 p.m. their weekly habit para makapag-relax, makapag-unwind, makapag-enjoy. Pag may energy pa ako, baka makipagbakbakan na ako sa stream tonight. Alam mo yun, pang tanggal bara lang sa ilong at yun na nga. Always also, oo nga pala, check my socials at Captain Mike PH, and of course, reminding everyone na alagaan ninyo ang sarili ninyo. Water, 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 and remember, life is short. Drink water.
Why must you
Yun.
remind us of our mortality? You have been throughout the ages, through the fucking Stone
You
Age.
lived through the Black Plague. You lived through
Uy, uy, uy.
the Spanish
Daig mo
flu.
pa si Enrile.
Baka magpakita na, hindi, Trickster, ang sagot ko dyan kasi baka magpakita na si Duncan MacLeod. Pugutan na ako ng ulo, di ba?
Sad.
Oh,
Alright,
dahil
next
lang.
time.
Highlander ka pala eh.
Alright, Trickster, your turn.
I don't know, yeah, it was somewhat fun despite the openness of our competitors sa Demolition Derby.
Yes.
I'm not sure if you're going to stream the beta tonight or tomorrow. Should we stream tomorrow, Josh? The Wilds beta? I really want to
Yeah.
beat up the Arc Belt. Hopefully.
Yeah, let's do
ikaw,
this.
Cap, are you in the Monster? Do you want in on the Monster Hunter action?
Oh, ako curious ako kasi you guys have been playing it. I saw
We have
the
to teach them the
benchmarking
weapons.
dun sa GC. Parang I mean, I'm familiar with yung mga playing ng co-op games similar to that kasi nga I played the Division, di ba? So parang iniisip ko na it's the Division only with different mechanics, di ba? So yeah,
Alright.
I'm down with that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So maybe tomorrow I'll stream more of the hanggang kailan ba yung beta? Like if the beta is still up
Next
tomorrow.
Monday. Yeah,
Okay,
I
so
think Monday.
so yeah, maybe we should stream the beta tomorrow if my PC can handle it.
Yun.
If mine can't, it has to be just. I'm sorry.
Sige, ako na lang para ano. Oo.
So
Alright.
yeah, that's all for me. And maybe kasi since next week may beta ulit, I don't know if they'll add more monsters, but we'll stream it anyway.
I hope. Let's hope.
Yeah.
Let's hope mag-add sila. Yeah.
Oo.
Alright. So, alright, on my end, like Trickster said, we'll be streaming Monster Hunter Wilds. Abangan niyo pala, no? May mga in-upload na akong content sa TikTok ko na PC building guides. So, follow me on all
Yun.
socials at General2na19. May build pa ulit ako na isang PC which I'll be recording later. And guys, don't forget to support me. The Philippine Esports Awards, I've been nominated for the second time in a row as Esports Host of the Year. So kung pwede i-like nyo yung page, hanapin nyo yung picture ko.
Teka.
Pag nakita nyo kumakaldag doon, ayan, ako yun. Ayan, ako lang yung hindi nakasuit doon eh. Ako lang yung mukhang gago. Ayun, so, yun,
Grabe
grabe
ka naman.
Ako lang yung nakakaldag. Lahat,
2
tingnan
years
mo lahat.
in a row, bro.
Oo, nakasuit lahat, di ba? Ako kaldag ako last year, kaldag din yung picture ko, di ba? So,
So,
Alright.
to. Teka, bago umalis si Just, kailangan pakita natin to, di ba?
yun.
Yan.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yan, kaldag. Let's go.
I'm
Alright.
sure the pants can handle the power of the kaldag. You know? Kasi minsan when you do strenuous stuff with formal pants, masisira.
Nakakano ko niyan, naka-jogger pants ako niyan. So, medyo
Just lang
stretchable.
yan. Kailan gagawin yan? Kailan gagawin?
The event itself is on the 4th April 22, yung
ba?
mismong event. So, ngayon, voting period. And then, yeah. So, medyo bigatin din yung mga, yung mga kasama ko sa category.
Yan.
So,
Mabigat yung
let's hope,
kaldag.
let's hope, masama ako sa shortlist nung mismong finalist, no? So, yeah. Guys, thank you so much. Raymond, thank you so much for giving us your time and your effort and your energy dito sa podcast natin episode na to, no? So, again, to all the viewers, maraming salamat din. And again, we will see you next week.
In here.
Harry, you couldn't watch too.